Yes guys, AZTechOS here finally after a long time, back again with a brand new video for you guys, and we have some catching up to do right here, right now. Yes guys, AZTechOS here, back again after a long time. Back on YouTube. As you guys do know, or for the people that do not know, my channel was deleted around 8 months ago, and I did stop. I was kind of a little bummed that my channel once again was deleted, but you know what, I decided to give it one last time. Third time's a charm, like they say. And as you guys can see, everything's pretty much the same. I did get perhaps a brand new phone, but aside from that, I do want to bring back this channel and have all the good content that you guys used to get, such as iPhone apps, Android apps, as well as Mac applications. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also guys, spread the word, share this channel with everyone, let them know that we're back and ready to go. So if you guys do not know, like I did state previously, my channel was deleted, but I decided to create a brand new channel. It was around 6 to 8 months. I don't quite recall the specific date, but I decided to give it one more time. I did miss this a lot, and as always, I enjoy making these videos for you guys, helping you guys out, getting those awesome apps, as well as for all the people that are Mac users. I enjoy helping you guys get those free apps, as well as saving a ton of money. So this is pretty much a quick video to tell you guys that I'm back, and hopefully you guys will help me out by subscribing to the channel, sharing this video, and notifying the people or the ones that did know my channel that we're back doing this again. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick little update to just notify you guys that I am doing YouTube one more time. Third time's the charm, so let's go ahead and crush this YouTube thing. So you guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on the videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.